Hello, it's John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The overall length is 28 foot 3 inches, full 9-foot beam, and a weight with engines of approximately 7,500 pounds. A few features to note on this boat. We'll start on the transom. You have the twin Mercury, the new motors, new twin 250 Mercury Outboards. You'll also see the rod holders as well as your waist put out point here. As we step up into the cockpit area, you got a big wide open cockpit, your mechanicals in the floor, you have tow rails for fishing, you also have a full fold out seat, lots of depth on the seat, so good leg support. When you're fishing, it stows away. Freshwater shower on the transom. As we go over to the starboard side, see this boat's equipped with the refrigerator, grill prep area, freshwater sink, solid surface counters. Over on the port side, you have a table that mounts here. You also have a live well with blue interior for fishing. This seat does a number of different functions. This can pop back, make a backrest. You can lounge forward, lay this all the way forward. You can go here and face backwards. Very functional. Whaler won an innovation award for this seat design. You also have a lot of storage under the seat. As you see here, we have the shore power cord stored away. In front of that, you have the head compartment. Big spacious head, solid surface counters with sink, stainless steel fixtures. Over in the helm area, see we've got the big Raymarine chart plotter, Mercury active trim, digital throttle and shift, power steering of course, Raymarine VHF fusion stereo. As we step forward into the bow area, you have seating on each side of course, speakers as well. Also have a table that mounts here, storage under the seats as well. This seat lifts up. You can access all of the storage area behind the console. This boat also has a bow sunshade which mounts here and here and goes back to the hardtop, so you can have this whole area shaded in. Then all the way forward you have a windlass. In addition to the windlass, you have a freshwater shower right here at it. So when you retrieve it, you can shower it off, put it away. You also have a filler that goes here to make this a sun pad. So that's a quick walkthrough of our Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. Again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Our number is 910-256-8100. We'd love to show you this boat or any we have in inventory. Thank you.